Hi, my name is Srishti Asthana Bisht. I'm a practicing psychologist, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to support someone if you know or if they say they're facing domestic violence. So, what to do in that situation? This is one of the situations where we kind of don't know what to say, what to do, what would be the right thing. And we really want to help the other person in feeling better. And instinctually, the cultural response that's been embedded into us is हम साथ साथ हैं, परिवार सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है, राइट? एंड हर परिवार की अपनी कमियाँ होती हैं, but these are not some things that you should be saying to the other person. And while it might sound basic, but I have to say this out loud for a lot of people. Move from advice to offering practical steps of help. Okay, what can these practical steps be? A, can you open up your home to them? Can you tell them कि तुम्हारे घर पे सिचुएशंस अभी ठीक नहीं है, it's okay, come live with me till you can't figure things out, come live with me till things, the intensity does not dilute down. Is there a tangible resource you can offer? If you can't, it's okay, but think along these lines. Second, we have something called a one-stop center, Shakti Center, and in those centers, the right trained professionals who are experienced in helping people of domestic, people who've received any form of abuse, take them to those centers, request them to go to those centers, accompany them to going to their centers. If they are making a decision of whether I should file a police complaint or not, if they want to explore that option and they want to speak with a lawyer, if they want to speak with someone in the legal authority, accompany them. Okay, offer these kind of tangible help. Don't instinctually, it brings up such discomfort for us because these are, we don't want to imagine, because their reality might be vastly different from our lived experiences, and we might think कि थोड़ा बहुत ऊंच नीच हो गया तो क्या बात है, right? The best thing we can do is reroute them to the right professionals, a trauma informed professional preferably. If you can see that there are tangible mental health impacts, like it's the circumstances are impacting their sleep, their weight, their degree of socialization has gone down, etc. If you start noticing these very tangible impacts, take them to a good psychiatrist. If you don't know, or if they can't afford going to a psychiatrist, then take them to the nearest government hospital for receiving professional help. So these were some of the things. I hope this resource is helpful. Do share it to provide people some set of steps that they can follow in order to help someone who might be facing any form of violence or abuse. Thank you.